Hey guys, Double D here. Wanted to show off my Chaos Comics Brian Perello's Purgatory. And my Evil Ernie by the same guy. And these are both Chaos Comics toys. Or figurines, I should say. I don't know. Well, look at Evil Ernie. Look at that. It's just awesome. I know a guy I'm trying to get more Chaos Comics action figures from. He has a couple of them. Look at the back of that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Take you a second if you want to read that. But yeah, here are the other figures in the wave you can get. Lady Death, Purgatory, Evil Ernie, and Lady Death. As you can see, I only paid $16.99, so it wasn't too bad of a price to pay. And then same for Purgatory. Very awesome, very cool. Flip it over. Just an awesome ass background art. Same in the wave, same. But I only had to pay $14.99 for this one. So again, tell me if it's not a steal. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.